Hello guys, welcome to our channel CheMathics, and today we're going to discuss about sequence and series. So before, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel, and you can also comment your golden suggestions in comment box. So let's start. So today's first lecture of our topic sequence and series. It's a very basic topic you have to study in your high school 11th and 12th class, especially in 11th. So today we will discuss about that. So first, you should have an idea of sequence and series. So if you look at these number series, you can say that this is 8, this is 27, this is 64. So you can predict that what is the next number. This is the cube of 2, this is the cube of 3, and this is the cube of 4. So this will be cube of 5, it means 125, and hence this will be 216, sixth cube of 6. So difference between numerator in this series is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So this will become 9 plus 2, it means 11, and this will become 11 plus 2, it means 13. And the difference between number of denominator is 3. So you can write that this will be 16 and this will be 19. So these are the basic concepts of series. So now let's move on to the topic types of series. How many types of series exist in your course, especially, So these are some of the most common example of sequences are the arithmetic sequences. We also said this AP, and this is geometric sequences GP, and harmonic sequences HP, and Fibonacci numbers. So we will study one by one them. So now let's move on to the topic arithmetic progression. While creating this series, you will get a feel that you are adding a constant number again and again in previous number. Like you have a first number in series like 1. Now you are adding 2. Then it will become 3. Now you will add 2 again in this number. This will become 5, this 7, 9, this will go to the infinity. So this is a basic idea of this progression. So if you look at the formal definition, AP is a series whose terms increase or decrease by a constant number. The difference between two continuous number is called common difference of that series. This is very important, we represent the common differences with D. So example, if you take example of this series is like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and that's it. Another example will be this is increasing arithmetic progression. Increase by 2. We can also take like 1, -1, -3, -5, -7. This is a decreasing arithmetic progression, decrease by 2. So now if you write the common difference of this series, so then it will be D is equal to +2 because it is increasing by 2. and this series common difference will be minus 2 because it is decreasing by 2. So this is the basic idea and basic concept of arithmetic progression. Now we will look to what is the general term of arithmetic progression. So if any series like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, we are given that the first term is a, okay, the second term is a plus d, where d is equal to 2 and a is equal to 1. So first term, let us say t1 is equal to a, t2 will be a plus d, t3 will be a plus 2d. We can write this like a plus 3 minus 1 d. t4 will be a plus 3d. So a plus 4 minus 1 d and so on. So we can say that we are adding n minus 1 into d in first term a to make the nth term. So this is the formula of your general term of your AP. So nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Like let's look on this series 1 plus 3 plus 5. So if we want to find the 10th number of this series, this would be t10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 d. So a is 1 plus 9 into d is 2. So 1 plus 18. So it would be 19. So if we use the basic idea, we will get us this same answer. Let's have a look. This will be 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So this is the 10th term. So we are getting the same result. This means this is the formula of general term of AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, now do some question on this. It is given that if 10 times of 9th term is in an AP is 430, 10th time of 9th term T9 is equal to 430. This is the equation number 1. And 3 times of 7th term is 99. 3 times of 7th term is 99. Then what is the 20th term? So it will be what? So 10 into a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 430. Why? Because we know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10a plus 18d is equal to 430. So a plus 8d is equal to 43. Equation number 3. And from equation 2 we can also say that a plus 6d is equal to this will be 33. This will be equation number 4. So if we subtract equation 4th from 3rd, we will get that a plus 8d minus a plus 6d is equal to 43 minus 33. So 2d will be 10 and from here our d will be 5. So the common difference of that series will be 5. Now let's move on to the find what is a. So we can put the value of d in the equation number 3 or equation number 4. We are putting in equation number 4. So a plus 6 into 5 is equal to 33. So a plus 30 is equal to 33. Then a will be 3. So a is 3 and d is 5. So the question was asked that what is the 20th term of that AP. So T 20 will be a plus 20 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 19d. So a is 3. So yeah, 3 plus 19 into 5. So this would be 3 plus 5 and this, so 98. T 20 will be 98. Okay, so this was our class Bacha Party, and if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and you can download the notes of this class from the description box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.